sales and service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I want to show you about the Hizero 4-in-1 Bionic Mop. I want to show you about once a month maintenance on it. That's about how often I do it in my house. So I just wanted to show you some tricks that you can maintain this in your house. We're going to press the hood, take the hood off here, hit the button right here, and the hood will come all the way off for you. Makes it easier to clean. We're going to pop off the roller. Make sure you get all the hair out inside here and also the main bearing here. A lot of times hair will wrap around there. Get underneath the motor here. A lot of hair gets built up here. Wipe that down. Get the hair off that motor shaft there. We're going to put the roller back in here. Make sure this clicks. There's a little button in there that sometimes gets tricky. There you go. That's ready to go when I want to put it back on. You want to make sure that the filter's clean. This filter here keeps the dirt from getting, or the dirty water from getting into the solid tray. So that gets a lot of built up in there. Water may leak into your tray. So if that happens, you want to check that filter. I replace this once a month in my house. We're gonna take the tray out, obviously wipe this down. That's normally weekly maintenance that you should be doing anyways, but we're gonna go ahead and do that again while we have it apart. We're gonna take out the main wet roller. This is what I call a sponge roller here. This usually stays very clean, so we won't touch that. A lot of times I'll get a lot of built up right here. And then once again, that crate right there keeps the water from getting into your dirt tray. So you want to keep that as clean as possible. Remove any hair or anything off your main motor right here. Put the roller back on. Hit that button again. That snapped in much easier than the other one. I'm going to put the tray back in. Put the hood back on. And what else I do is I put it back on to the charger once a month and unplug it. Make sure you unplug it or it won't work. And this is called self-cleaning mode. I'm going to turn the machine on. Put it on level 1 here. And that's going to put your clean water through the machine. It's going to self-clean itself. And then when it's done, it's going to turn off on its own. So you can go do something real quick. You don't have to stay here and watch it. When it's out of water, it's going to stop, empty the dirty water, and you're ready to go. And that's how you do your monthly maintenance on the Hizero. If you have any questions, give us a call at 502-451-4515. Thank you very much.